Welcome to our live market analysis recap. My name is Jay Norris. Before we get started, we need to point out that trading is a risky endeavor and not suitable for all investors. My name is Jay Norris. I've written a couple of books which were published by McGraw-Hill and which serve as the textbooks for our courses. And I'm also the Director of Education at Trading University. Let's get right to the charts and show you what we covered today in our live market analysis session. This is the euro, and we were focused on the euro. This happens to be a 5-minute chart. Let's pull out to a 60-minute chart so you can get some scale here. See how we're aligned there. We've got our patterns listed. Easier way to keep track of that, which we teach. There you go. You just have a grid. If you take essentially the meat in the middle, what we call it, from these 5 patterns here, and you just very simple count them, there's 3 down, there's 2 up, so that's bearish. So if you have the majority are bearish, 3 down, 2 up, that's going to tell us that we're looking for sell signals specifically. So here's the 60-minute chart. Let's drop it down to a 15-minute chart. So we come in today, and as long as you're below that 15-minute micro right there, that 15-minute fractal pattern, as long as you're below that, you still have the majority of patterns lower. Not only you're below that, it keeps majority patterns lower, but we also know this to be pretty good resistance, those zones. So when we drop down to a 3-minute chart, remember we start our live market analysis at 8:30 Eastern Time, 7:30 Central Standard Time, so that's right here. So we are together for this 2-hour block of time there, and it was a productive block of time for us. We highlighted that when the market had resistance there, then we noted essentially had a little head and shoulder top here. That's quite common where you get a formation against the resistance. Then you actually get the trend line break here, the beginnings of the reversal right there. So you get the reversal there, then you get one more run up to post that all-important higher low. We love that higher low. That tells us generally that once that breaks down, once you reverse this little uptrend there, then you have a little bit more confidence in the downsides. So that's what we're looking at today. Again, it was pretty simple stuff. You had the majority of patterns down. You could see clearly, even when you count them all, they were down. But generally, I'm going to focus on these ones in the middle. That tips us off that we're looking for sell signals. And in fact, once we see the market hitting resistance, then we have a pretty good idea. We do want to go short. Once you take that trend line out right there, there's a signal. And then if you'd like, you could add to it right here. You always let it back up against you one more time. No trade's going to be perfect. Generally, it'll go your way, then it'll start to come back. That's okay. That's normal. We actually anticipate that now. When you get that lower high, we like that. And then when you change direction right here, this is a signal to add on or get in. If you have not gotten in here, you can add right there when the market changes direction there. Close below the low of that highest closing candle right there. That's your best opportunity right there. Or if you're already in, you can add there. So that worked out pretty good for us. It was a good way to spend our time. And those of you that did sign up and attend it, we certainly appreciate you doing that. You guys that are seeing the video, we certainly encourage you guys to come on and see what we do. Again, we do it every Monday and Friday, and that's free, and that's open to the public. Again, I'm the Director of Education at Trading University. If you want to attend the live market analysis with us, go ahead and send me an email right there, or just go to the website, click on Education, then click on Live Market Analysis Trial, and you can come in and spend a couple hours with us and see us pointing out these setups as they're occurring live in the markets. There's our live market analysis trial. You click on register there. You don't have to give us a credit card or anything. You just have to plug in a username that you make up and an email address that we can get a hold of you. And then go ahead and click on live market analysis. And off you go. Then you'll be automatically signed up for it. If you don't want to go through all those steps, just go ahead and send me an email at jnorris@tradingu.com, and I'll get you on the list that way. Hey, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you this Monday for our next live market analysis.